was inspired by a tablescape that I saw on Cena Minto's channel. Her name is Leslie, and she was doing a walkthrough of West Elm. And I'll put up a photo here of my inspiration. I love the simplicity of this tablescape, and I thought, you know what? I want to try to create that same look using everyday items that I have in my home. So we are going to be using these simple plates that I picked up several years ago from Walmart, as well as the bowls. The silverware, you know, is thrifted. My napkins I showed you in a haul came from Hobby Lobby. And of course, our handy dandy, trusty velvet placemats that came from the old Pier 1 several years ago. So let's put it all together and see how it looks. All right, so we're going to start off with this very simple centerpiece. You guys saw this centerpiece once before. It was in my Glam and Elegant black and white Christmas tablescape. If you missed that video, I will leave that linked in the iCards above, as well as in the description box below. So go check that out for some more Christmas tablescape inspiration. So we're going to leave the greenery, and I think I'm also going to leave the Christmas ornament balls. Even though the West Elm table had pine cones, doesn't really go with my style, so I'm going to leave those balls. And then the plant in the center is a DIY that I featured on my channel yesterday or the day before. It was inspired by the oversized planters that Valentina uses in her home from the House of Valentina. If you missed that video, I will leave that link down below as well. So let's get started. And now we're going to set out our salad plates. And here we go, our Christmas tablescape using our everyday dinnerware. All right, guys, so this is how our simple Christmas tablescape has turned out. I think it is so classy and elegant, and I think it is very similar to our inspiration tablescape that we saw at West Elm, and I'll put up a photo here. Again, it is simple with our everyday white plates, our thrifted silverware, and our greenery. I think it just creates the perfect Christmas tablescape. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this tablescape. I absolutely love how it turned out, and I hope you do as well. And if it's your first time here, my name is Sheryl. I love all things home decor. I love decorating with style on a budget and trying to make my home look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if that is something you are into as well, and you are not yet a part of the iStylEMYSTYLE family, I would so appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and become a member of the family. Now, earlier this year, I showed you guys a different set of dinnerware that I was going to use for my Christmas tablescape. So let me bring that out and we'll see how that looks. And here is our second tablescape using our plates that we picked up from the Dollar Tree. And guys, I am so excited because I was able to complete my collection. I found a complete set of bowls, salad plate, and dinner plate. I absolutely love the pattern on this, and you would not have thought it would have come from the Dollar Tree. Absolutely love the look. It goes to show you, you do not have to spend a lot of money to make your home look expensive. If I had not told you these plates came from the Dollar Tree, you probably would have thought they would have come from some place like West Elm or Pottery Barn or another high-end decor store. Absolutely love the aesthetic of these bowls, and I am so glad I found a complete set of everything. So in my last tablescape, I completely forgot to add my glassware. So here are the glasses. I picked these up from Amazon. They are very similar to the Crate and Barrel square glasses. I absolutely love the aesthetic. I only paid $20 for a set of 4. They were on sale. So I didn't think that was such a bad price at all. I will leave them linked in the description box down below in case you are interested. I unfortunately am not able to link anything else other than the tree that you see here in the center of the table. It came from Target. I think it is still available. The vase in the center is a DIY. The ornaments came from various places. I can link the larger disco balls. They came from Amazon. And I said the dishware came from the Dollar Tree. I know at one point it was available to order online. I don't know if it still is. If it is, I will leave that link below as well. So those are my Christmas tablescapes for this year, and I absolutely love them. I think this is my absolute favorite, featuring my Dollar Tree dinnerware. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know which one you liked, tablescape number 1 or tablescape number 2. And if you have enjoyed today's content, remember to subscribe because I have a lot more fun and affordable home decor videos coming for 2022 that you do not want to miss.